How do I post or reply to a LISTSERV list? From the LISTSERV homepage, use the main navigation menu and log in. Then click on the list of interest to open the list homepage, or use the Access Unlisted Lists text box to access confidential or unlisted lists. From the list archives, you can click on the reply icon to reply to an existing message. You can choose whether to reply to the entire list or to the sender only. You can also use the side menu to post a new message to the list. Of course, you can also reply or post messages to a list directly from your email client. All you need to do is to send an email to the list address in order for your message to be distributed to the list. Thank you for watching.